everyone, welcome back to Lots of Yum for You. It's me, Chef Connie, and today we're going to make a quick and easy holiday recipe. This recipe is just cream cheese, cranberry sauce, and some delicious crackers. That's it. So we're going to dive right into this video and make some deliciousness. Hi everyone. So, welcome back, and I am ready to make this quick and easy deliciousness. What you need is any box of cream cheese, and you take the cream cheese, open it, and put it in the middle of your favorite plate. And then a can of cranberry sauce, whole cranberry sauce. Okay, mix it up real good, and then we just take it and spread it on the cream cheese. This is a very, very quick and easy snack, or you can even use this for dinner. You can have this with crackers. Some people might have it on their dinner rolls. Very, very good. Just kind of put this around the cream cheese. It's very easy. Just a little fun recipe. Delicious, quick and easy. The nice salty and sweet flavors are delicious. There we go. And that's it. And then, after you do that, you can just take some crackers and make a nice little tray here and spread the crackers all around. It's totally up to you, however you want to do it. You made this before for even beyond Thanksgiving, you know, just for the holidays, Christmas parties. And I know that parties are limited, but it's still delicious for the family members that do live in your home. And this is also a fun snack too when you're watching football games and stuff for the holidays. So there we go. And there we have it. Oh wow. Absolutely beautiful, quick, easy, and delicious. And that's it. So I'm going to raise the camera and we can do our deliciousness test. So this is a quick, easy holiday snack. And here I am right here. Yes. Okay. Well, then, as usual, let me get a knife because I am ready to do this deliciousness test. Okay. Quick and easy holiday treat for the family. And here we go. I know you guys already know it's gonna be good. All right. Very delicious. The cheese, cranberry sauce on these crackers, or the crackers of your choice. All right, quick and easy dish. Thanks for watching. This turned out, oh darn, my crackers want to fall off. This turned out well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button, and I'll see you again with a new recipe. Bye for now.